Hey everyone, this is Gary Kayye, and you are looking at one of the tech talks for the E4 hybrid version of the E4. Of course, the live E4 is going on, and actually we're going to shoot a product video of this very product. Absen excitedly picked the Almo E4 experience to introduce the clear cobalt line of products to the world. I'm joined with Ken Summers, who is the technical service manager at Absen. Ken, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I had a chance to see a sneak peek of this product. There was sort of like a little secret area in your booth where this product was at Infocom. I'm excited to get down on the show floor today and actually see this product live in Dallas. And we're going to shoot a product video of the product. But why don't you tell everyone what the Clear Cobalt series is from Absen?
So the Clear Cobalt series is our new product that is a chip on board micro LED design. This product here is given a black coating that covers the top of it, and this coating helps really strengthen the pixel integrity to prevent it from damage from dust and moisture resistant. But also it allows for us to add an extra coating of black into the image to bring out more of the black colors and add to the grayscale aspect of it, and just make the color just a little bit more vivid and just bring out the entire colors of the LED.
Yeah, so when you have deeper blacks, you're going to have a higher contrast ratio, and that's naturally going to mean better colorimetry, better whites as well. So explain chip on board to everyone watching. I mean, what I know of chip on board is that it's all one substrate, right? There's not multiple layers where you have the electronics on a layer and you have the lines going to the actual LEDs. And from what I understand, it's all in one layer. But the advantage of that is rigidity, or what's the advantage of that?
The advantage of the whole chip on board aspect, it allows for the chip to be flipped over. So with our normal SMD, the chip is actually upside down with the solder points underneath it, and the rigidity of the solder points is a lot more fragile than this chip on board aspect of it. The chip on board flips it over and allows us to get these finer pixel pitches that we need, because as we're getting into these smaller pixel pitches here, we're just getting to the point where the solder points are just hard to reach, where it's easier to put the chip straight onto the board rather than having to solder and trying to get our solder tips into those little crevices.
And so you're now talking about getting into what pixel pitches can Clear Cobalt give us with that chip on board technology.
So right now, the one that we are premiering is our 0.9 millimeter pixel pitch.
Okay.
We do have also a 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch available, but we are focusing more on our 0.9. And we're hoping that as we get better and better with our technology, that we can go smaller and smaller with our pixel pitches.
Yeah, 0.9 is very close to like the pixel pitch if you had the equivalent of a pixel pitch on a direct view LCD. So you're getting into that resolution, but you're of course getting much higher brightness. Tell me about how bright this can be and what applications are this best for. Is this an indoor product mostly, and how bright can it get?
So the brightness level that our Clear Cobalt can go to is a 1200 nit brightness level. It's very bright. The contrast, the black contrast ratio of 20,000 to 1 allows all the colors to really come out. The applications that this can go into is really, it's indoor product, but the applications can be very broad, from conference rooms, like high CEO type conference rooms, or really any type of conference rooms, to lobby displays where you just want it to really be vivid and show you all the color spectrum of whatever you're showing on your lobby display. To also TV studios. What's very interesting about our Clear Cobalt series is the fact that the cover over it gets rid of the image moire aspect of it, and it really allows for the cameras to really pick up the entire image and not have any of those effects that most cameras pick up from your typical SMD and IMD chip technology.
Yeah, so what you're describing here is a meeting room product, a digital signage product, and also an XR studio product where you're talking about using as a studio imager so that, as a backdrop for weather broadcast, backdrop for the sports broadcast, but also as an actual, potentially as a virtual set if you've completely eliminated that moire pattern. At 1200 nit, that would put it at a little right at about twice the brightness of the brightest LCD. So I think that would be good for high ambient light applications. Tell me about the rigidity with regard to like rental staging. Is this a product that rental staging companies would also consider putting in their inventory?
Not this product in particular. It is, it's a fixed installation product. Once it goes on
Okay.
the wall, you want to be moving it around.
Okay.
I'm not saying that chip on board will ever be not put into the rental staging product. I don't know what R&D is currently working on for that aspect of it, but for this product here that we're releasing, it's going to be fixed indoor installation.
Okay. And does it come in fixed sizes or is it modular?
It's modular. Each panel is the same size as our current Acclaim Plus series.
Okay.
So the 27.3 inch diagonal, 16:9 ratio design aspect to it, and a 3x3 panel grid of this is perfect full HD resolution. And then you go up to, and that's about 82, 83 inch diagonal screen. And then you go up to 165 inch, which is a 6x6 panel matrix of this, and that's perfect 4K resolution.
4K. Yeah. So this can do 1080 or 4K, depending on how big physically you're willing to go. I'm talking to Ken Summers as the technical service manager at Absen, talking about the Clear Cobalt, which was literally launched officially at the Almo E4 in Dallas. We are here in Dallas, obviously, with the live audience, but you're watching us as part of the hybrid coverage, which you're getting some extra coverage here with these tech talks. In addition, we're going to shoot a product video of the Clear Cobalt series. Ken, is there anything else that I forgot to ask you or anything you want to tell us about the product? Because the product, is it shipping? And I guess that's a big question, is when is it going to ship?
Shipping is in the process of it. We're waiting for the orders to come in, but you can order right now and
Okay.
And reach out to your account manager with Absen to get the product that best suits your needs.
Okay. And is there anything I missed? Did we talk about everything with regard to the product that you feel like we needed to cover?
We've covered everything on this product. This product is an amazing product. It's very vivid. If you weren't able to get out to InfoComm and see it in person, I mean, this product is a very vivid color that will knock your pants off seeing it.
Yeah, so you're going to want to check it out as Absen does a little bit of a tour here, starting with the Almo E4 and this Tech Talk. They'll also be going to some of the other regional shows around the country, including the AVI system shows and others. And so you want to check it out there. But of course, you can always go to usabsen.com. I believe that's still your website, usabsen.com. Ken, I appreciate you joining me today for this Tech Talk with Almo.
Thank you.